The important thing, though, that was clearly demonstrated today, we've got a really good team of ministers and officials who have demonstrated that they are willing to do what is necessary. And the Minister or Secretary of Trade here in Kenya, on his very second day in the job, immediately came to sleep in South Africa to begin the process of unlocking some of the constraints and the strictures, and sit down with Minister Patel, and they've made enormous progress just in a short space of time. So I really applaud them, and the same applies to our other ministers. So we've got ministers on both sides who are determined to improve the relationship between South Africa and Kenya, so that we are able to capture the opportunities that lie ahead. And that behoves